Here's how to convert MP4 to MP3 on Windows. So I created an app called ConvertSave, and it's an offline file converter for Windows and Mac. You can check it out with the link in the description, but it's a drag and drop file converter. So you can select as many files as you want, drag and drop them into ConvertSave, and then from here, we're going to select the output as MP3. And so then all we have to do is hit convert, and it saves all of those MP3s right next to wherever the files came from. So you can drag and drop as many as you want in here. Basically, I went to my brother who's a software developer and was like, can you create me a file converter that works offline? Because I'm sick of going to all these weird sketchy websites. And so before I knew it, he had a product and it kind of worked. And so we worked on it a little bit more and we got this thing converting images, video files, audio files, and it does it all on your desktop on Mac and Windows. So it's a pretty awesome file converter and it's a very simple one. It saves me a lot of time when I'm trying to convert files. But if you're trying to convert MP4 or any other video to MP3, hopefully this helps you. You can check it out with the link in the description. I appreciate your support, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.